What's up, you guys? I am here with a little brunette tutorial. This video is a little bit quicker, but I just wanted to show you a little variety. It's not just a blonde that I do all the time. We sometimes do brunettes. So she came in wanting to deepen her base and give her hair more of like a chocolatey brown feel and cut some of the red. Chocolatey brown obviously has red, but we wanted to enhance the good warm tones and just kind of get rid of like old red and fading that she had. So on the root, we had done 4NB, 5N. And then on the ends, we did 4NB, 5N, but also a little bit of 5NA to help counteract that warmth. So we did the roots, we let that sit about 25 minutes. And then now here at the bowl, we're putting the mids to ends on wet hair. I just feel like the toner saturates really well if you do it this way. And we let this sit an additional 20 minutes. For each of those formulas, we did just use Redken Shades EQ with 10 volume and let it sit an additional, 20 or so minutes like we had talked about so it sticks in. Hey, Krista. If you watched my last bonding tutorial, that is Krista from that video. And they are actually friends and business owners together. They own a salon together, Jenna and Krista, and they came and got their hair done. It was so fun. So we are now just going to be styling. We're going to trim her hair up and then add extensions. I wanted to talk about why I chose to do Redken Shades EQ for this. On most brunettes, I do that unless they are like, I am dark for life, I'm never going light again. But she does hair, she's a salon owner, she's obviously going to change her hair like we all do. And she also was kind of considering going lighter, maybe darker. So because of that indecisiveness that most of us hairstylists have, I didn't want to do a permanent or do something that would, just kind of compromise her hair if she ever wanted to go lighter again, and it would just make the process harder. But doing the Shades EQ with 10 volume gives us enough coverage while also being a little more gentle on the hair and not as permanent. So this client has really incredible hair on her own. She honestly doesn't really need extensions, but they are always great for adding fullness, volume, and a little bit of length. And she does them herself. So it's also good to market to your clients to wear extensions so that they can see them, feel them, ask questions, and you can tell them the truth about how they feel. So we did 2 rows of J-tied wefts on her, and we did the 24-inch so that she had long, luscious hair, and we actually paired Bailey and Bentley together to give her a dark color with also a little bit of that chocolatey brown reflect throughout. And I love this pairing. It turned out so good, and she just kills it as a dark brunette, especially with her blue eyes. It's amazing. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, if you want more brunettes, and I'll catch you next time.